Hello. If you're looking for a tobacco scan data program that is available on Clover, I'm here to tell you that it's finally published. All you need to do is just visit the Clover app market and install the app called Tobacco Scan Data. The price that you will see when installing this app, which is $29.99, will also include the price of installing two other apps that are required to make the Tobacco Scan Data program work on Clover. And these two other programs are called Discount Scheduler and Inventory++. The Discount Scheduler app is the one that handles the multi-pack discount that gets reported to the Altria group, while the Inventory app will provide the fields that are necessary to provide the required information on the reporting side, the fields that are not natively available on Clover. The Inventory app is linked with Clover Inventory, and so whatever inventory you currently have will immediately show up in the Inventory app, where you will be able to indicate which products are part of the tobacco, and then add additional fields and provide the data for those fields inside Clover. So with the use of those two apps, which you will be able to install at no additional charge as long as you have Tobacco Scan Data program installed, with the use of these two apps, you will have required necessary information in order for us to grab it and then report to Tobacco Scan Data on your behalf. Once you've signed up with us, there will be a setup process. You will contact us or we will contact you. We will get in touch, exchange all the necessary information so that we can present it to the other side and start getting you set up with the Tobacco Scan Data. So to get started, again, just visit the Clover app market and search for CSI Works, or search for Tobacco Scan Data, or for Discount Scheduler, or for Inventory++. Any one of those searches will produce the necessary result and you'll be able to get started. Thank you.